Aloha everyone. In this video, I'm going to take you on a quick aerial tour of Sugar Beach that's located in North Kihei on Maui's south side. Now, Sugar Beach is considered by most people to be one of the longest stretches of continuous white sandy beach on the entire island. Now, we're not going to take a look at the entire beach because it is really long, but the particular stretch of beach we're going to be looking at holds several short-term vacation rental condos that are lesser known than some of the other parts of the island. Let's go take a look.
Okay, so we're going to start by looking towards the south. You can actually see the cinder cone between McKenna's Big Beach and Little Beach off in the distance. Now, as we spin to look to the north, pay attention to the long, narrow, unbroken stretch of sand. This is Sugar Beach, and it stretches over 5 miles from here in North Kihei all the way to Ma'alaya. Of course, this makes Sugar Beach the perfect beach for people that enjoy long walks in the mornings and evenings. It's also a great beach for sunbathing and water sports like canoe paddling, bodyboarding, and swimming. That being said, it is important to be aware that the trade winds do tend to pick up in the afternoons on most days, and it can be difficult to find shade unless you bring your own, making the mornings and evenings the best time to enjoy this beach. Speaking of those water sports, you can actually see several outrigger canoes staged near the tree line before we reach our first beachfront condo. And that first condo is named Kihei Beach Resort. It's comprised of 54 1- and 2-bedroom units, and it is hotel zoned. Recent sales at Kihei Beach Resort have ranged from around $900,000 for 1-bedrooms up to $1.6 million for a 2-bedroom penthouse. The next community that we're going to pass with the dark brown rooftops is Ma'alaya Surf, which is comprised of 59 low-density 1- and 2-bedroom condos. Ma'alaya Surf is also hotel zoned, and the common areas include resort amenities like 2 different pool areas and tennis courts. Recent sales at Wald R Surf have ranged from around $1.4 up to $2 million. The next building that we're going to pass is only 2 stories tall, and it's called Kihei Kai. There are only 24 units in this community, all of them 1-bedroom condos. At the time of recording, there's actually a great deal on a 1-bedroom in here for just $725,000. I'll share a link to that listing in the description below. The taller 6-story building just past Kihei Kai is called Nani Kaihale. That community has 46 units and prices start around $750,000. The next few buildings we're going to pass aren't condos at all. It's actually a business called Sugar Beach Events of Hawaii, which is a very popular venue for weddings and events of all types. The building just to the north with the light brown roof is Kihei Sands Resort, which is another boutique short-term rental community. This one has 30 different 1- and 2-bedroom units. Now, the largest resort on Sugar Beach is coming up next, and it's appropriately named Sugar Beach Resort. Sugar Beach Resort has a total of 215 condos with 1- and 2-bedroom floor plans. Since it is a larger resort, there are almost always a few properties for sale at any given time, and at the time of recording, there are 5 active listings ranging in list price from $900,000 up to $1.2 million. I'll share a link to all the current Sugar Beach Resort listings in the description below. The last resort on this stretch of sand is called Kealia Resort, which is comprised of another 51 total units. The inland body of water straight ahead is called the Kealia Pond, which is a natural wetland reserve. As you can imagine from looking at the topography of this area, it is more prone to flooding issues than other parts of the island. That being said, I still think that this stretch of resorts on Sugar Beach could be considered a hidden gem, given their great beachfront locations, relatively low prices for beachfront resorts, and the fact that all of these condos are in hotel zoning, which means that they allow short-term vacation rentals and will not be impacted by the proposed legislation that aims to phase out short-term rentals in apartment zoning on other parts of the island. Of course, every property on Maui will come with its pros and cons, but buyers that are shopping in the $700,000 to $2 million range that seek the beachfront resort experience with the flexibility of a property that allows short-term rentals, this is an area that's definitely worth considering.
Okay, so that's it for the quick aerial tour. Don't forget to like the video, share with anybody else you know that loves Maui and might be considering buying real estate here, and subscribe for more relevant real estate content. I hope to see you all in the next one. Aloha.